Hi, Nick Dogan, North State Law, where we safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. Today we're going to talk about the impact of technology on attorneys adapting to digital changes. So the biggest thing that the North Carolina State Bar and the American Bar Association, in addition to a lot of courts all the way across the country, have noticed is attorneys have started to turn to artificial intelligence, which is AI, when doing legal research and writing, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Where some attorneys have made errors is in relying too much on artificial intelligence when doing legal research and legal writing. The biggest problems that courts have noticed it has been legal research not being checked by the actual attorney or the paralegal doing the legal research, and then that gets eventually makes its way to the court in way of typically a brief in support of some sort of motion that is filed with the court. Now, this is something that's easily avoidable, and artificial intelligence has a long way to go when it comes to doing legal research and legal research accurately. I'm not going to name specific companies, but there are two main legal research companies that a lot of attorneys have been using since law school, typically. My understanding is at least one, if not both of those companies have been working very expeditiously to make sure that they implement artificial intelligence within their legal research platform, to make sure that the legal research being done by AI is more accurate than it has been in the last couple years. That said, one of the quickest ways to get in trouble with a judge on your case and potentially open yourself up to a bar complaint and or civil liability is to not check the research done by artificial intelligence. That seems like a no-brainer, but I think when people are trying to make things smoother, make things quicker, get a little bit of work off their plate so they can focus on other stuff, they lose sight of the fact that it's still their responsibility when they submit a brief or a motion or whatever to the court. That's huge. You're signing your name to something. You could subject yourself to sanctions. We don't want to do anything along those lines. Legal writing seems to be implemented by a lot of attorneys through the use of AI. And again, same thing. You want to double check the sites. You want to double check the law that's being used in whatever legal writing that you're actually doing or having artificial intelligence do on your behalf. Go ahead and vet it, go through there, spend the requisite amount of time to make things are done quickly. At the end of the day, you're fixing your name, you're fixing your firm's reputation to whatever legal documents that you and or your staff are signing. So you want to make sure that it's done right for pride's sake, if nothing else. But remember, you're also going to be potentially subject to civil liability if you don't do your, double checking the research that AI has been doing for you. You don't double check the legal writing that AI is doing for you, and you're also potentially subjecting yourself to a complaint with whatever your state bar is. So I hope everybody kind of takes that to heart. If you got any questions, please check out blogs on my website. It's northstatelawfirm.com. You can check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. And like always, you can give my office a call for a free 15-minute discovery call. That number is 919-521-8810, and I speak with a member of my staff. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.